Okay, so today we are going to find the x and y intercepts of this linear relation 4x plus 2y equals 8. And then after that we're going to graph it on the set of axes over here, and then we would have solved this particular problem that we've been asked to solve. So we're going to begin with finding our x and y intercepts. So to find our x-intercept, we're going to let y equal 0. Okay, we're going to substitute this y equals 0 into our original equation, and when we do that, we're going to find that we've still got our 4x. Okay, but then our 2y here becomes 2 times 0 because we've substituted the 0 value for the y, and then we're still left with 8 on the other side here. So we're getting closer. This cancels each other out. We're still left with our 4x, okay, being equal to 8. And it turns out that we've got the highest common factor in there. We're going to just drop that in here. HCF between those two is 4. Okay, and then so that lets us divide both sides by 4. And then we're just going to do a little bit of cancelling out. Left with 2 here, 1 here, and then just 1 here as well. And that gives us our final value for x of 2. Because 2 over 1 becomes 2. We're going to do the same thing for the y-intercept. Okay, and I'll just squeeze it underneath. We're going to let x equal 0 this time. Okay, I'll put a little line across just to keep these separate. There we go. Okay, and then, so we're going to still stuck with this original relationship we've got at the top here. I'll put a big circle around that. Okay, this time to find the y-intercept, we're going to let x equal to 0. So what we're trying to find, we're generally using the other coordinate to as 0 value to find that intercept. So here, what have we got? We've got 4x. Okay, so 4x now becomes 4 times 0. Okay, and then we're still left with our plus 2y. Okay, and that's still equal to 8. Okay, now we're going to simplify it further. So next line still looks like this. 2y equals 8, but our highest common factor this time is 2. Okay, so what this lets us do is divide both sides by 2, then use our highest common factor. They cancel out, we're left with a 4 over 1 here, and our final value for y becomes 4. 4 over 1 is just 4. So we're halfway there. We've found our x and y intercepts. Tick, tick. We've got a couple of marks. We're pretty happy. We're going to go over to our set of axes over there, and we're going to graph, okay, this linear relationship using our x and y coordinates. So first thing we're going to do is just make sure our teacher knows which axis is which. There we go, we've just got some marks there, x and y. Okay, and we want to give them a scale as well. And we don't go much bigger than 4, so we're going to go up to 4 on the axes. Nice even axis is good. So 1, 2, 3, 4 here. We're going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. Number them off. Okay, there's pretty perfect. Okay, we could go negative as well if we need to, but these look positive at the moment, so I'm going to stick to the positives. Now we're going to find that we know that our set of coordinates here, well, we know we've crossed our x-axis at 2, so I'm going to put a little marker on the x-axis, which is our x-intercept, at 2. Was it? Yep. And then we're going to have a look at our y-axis, and we're going to find where our coordinates were for that. Y is 4, up here. Okay. And then what we're going to do is we're going to pull out a little ruler and draw a nice straight line between those 2 points. Okay. One thing we haven't done okay, is label our linear relation. So we want to say, what is it? 4x plus 2y equals 8. Okay, and we can also, if we wanted to, put the coordinates of where the x and y intercepts are. So this first one here, over here would be, okay, x is 0, sorry, y is 0, and x is 2, so we're going to have 2, 0 here, and up here, okay, we have x, it's gone up to 4, sorry, y has gone up to 4, our x has stayed at 0, so up here we've got, and 4. Okay, so we've done everything we wanted to do, we've done our x and y intercept, and we've done our graph. Okay, see if you can do it yourself.